I am Steve Stringer. I'm the director of the Game Lab here at SMU Guildhall.
My name is Carl Steiner. I am a clinical professor of practice at the SMU Guildhall.
One of our core pillars here with our program is that we are able to simulate a game studio environment, and a critical piece of that is the ability to test our games. So that is not only quality assurance and making sure there aren't any bugs, but also, is the game doing what it's intended to do?
Games, I think, are some of the most interesting applications to study. The experience of playing the game, in a way, is the product. We're not trying to do anything else except have those experiences, feel those emotions that the designer intended.
Traditional playtesting is mostly survey-based, right? So you get to the end of a play session and it says, did you understand where to go here? But with our ability to record not only the gameplay, but also the player and all their inputs. So we can see, are they confused? Are they looking down a lot at their keys? Is there a lot of cognitive overload?
We're getting not their opinion about whether they're feeling stressed or not. We're getting measures of if their heartbeat's speeded up. We can get AI-generated readouts of how frequently they showed particular emotions, how often, how many times, for how long. Are you being challenged? And is that level of challenge just right? Is it in the Goldilocks zone? It's not too difficult, it's not too easy, it's just right. You don't know what's not going to work until you get your actual players in front of an actual running version. And that's part of what we teach here. Test early, test often.
One of the things that makes SMU Guildhall really special is the fact that we are all from the industry. The vast majority of us that teach here were in studios. By the time one of our games actually ships and is published on Steam, probably 100 students from SMU have touched it in one way or another. We're setting the students up for success. By the time they graduate, they are indistinguishable from professional developers.
Research and a focus on the players is core to building good games. You can't have good games without satisfied players. You need to know users, K-N-O-W, or know users, N-O.